So a woman told me that she had 2 miscarriages, and her second miscarriage was August 26th this year. As at the time we were discussing, she was pregnant, and she went for a scan, and the scan revealed that she was 7 weeks and 1 day pregnant. The scan also revealed that her fetus no longer had a heartbeat. When I say no fetal heartbeat, what I mean is that the heart of her fetus is not beating anymore, meaning the baby in her womb is no longer alive. Now, all I could think about was, when did she get pregnant again? I need to know the gap that was there between when she had her last miscarriage and when she conceived again. So I calculated it, and I saw that it was just about 2 weeks. It is very crucial for you to give about 2 to 3 months gap from the time you had your last miscarriage to when you want to conceive again. So 2 weeks is actually very fast. You see that after a miscarriage, getting pregnant immediately is quite detrimental, even though we don't know the specific cause of her miscarriage. These are one of the things that can result to you not being able to carry the next pregnancy to term. So it is best you avoid it. It is best you give time, and during that time, take vitamins, take nutrients. I've mentioned that in my previous video. Take supplements that will fortify your body to carry your next pregnancy, that will help you increase the chances of fetal development and you carrying your pregnancy to term. Because your body needs time to heal, time to accumulate those necessary nutrients and vitamins that will help you be able to carry your next pregnancy to term. So if, for example, now, like this woman in question, you had a miscarriage, and just in less than a month you are already pregnant again, your chances of carrying your baby to term is lower. You're just reducing your chances. So my aim of making this video is to let other women know that after a miscarriage, it is best for you to wait 2 to 3 months before conceiving again. So women, help yourselves. When you know that you want to conceive again and you've had a miscarriage, wait for some time. Wait for 2 to 3 months. Give your body the time to heal. Give your mind the time to heal. And men, help your wives. Help your wives. Help your partners. They cannot do it alone. So if you know that you want to copulate, use condoms to prevent the pregnancy for the time being, so that she can become mentally stable, her body can become stable also, and ready to carry another pregnancy to term, because that is our goal. Our goal is not just to conceive, but for you to be able to carry the pregnancy to term, so that you can become a new mom. Bye.